Hi friends, now we'll discuss about VAM method, that is also called as penalty method. VAM full form is Vogel approximation method. Now in order to solve this question we have certain rules which we need to go through. So these are the steps we can follow in order to solve this VAM problems. First we need to see the penalty, that first the highest minimum second penalty minus first minimum, then we'll get one result. Let's take this x. Then we're gonna take the maximum penalty from both the side, from the supply side as well as from the demand side. Then with the minimum allocation we are going to solve it. That's it. Now in this case we need to take this quadrant and we need to see we need to check out the penalty. So let take P1 as the penalty for the supply side and this side P1 for the demand side. So here we need to see that which is the first minimum. In this column we can see the 10th is the minimum and 19 is the second minimum. So the formula says the second minimum minus first minimum, that is 19 minus 10, that is 9. And here 30 is the minimum, second minimum is 40, so the difference is 10. For here minimum is 8 and the second minimum is 20, so the difference would be 12. Similarly this way we need to do it. Here the first minimum is 19, then it is 40 minus 19, that is 21, then 8 minus, so here is 230, so we can take any one, so that is 30 minus 8, 22, 40 minus 50, 10. That's it. Now we need to check that which is the maximum one. Here, so 22 is the maximum one. We need to consider this as well as this, both demand and supply penalty we need to see. So 22 is the highest one. In this column we need to see the lowest one, that is 8. Now we need to consider this 8, this demand and this supply. So which is the minimum? 8 is the minimum, so just cancel it, write it as 8, and 18 minus 8, that is 10. Okay, now as this has become 0 we'll just cancel it, this part. Okay, now let's go ahead. Again we need to find out the penalty for both demand and supply for the new columns. Because this has been cancelled, so we need to consider these three columns. So 10, again 19 is the minimum, so by differentiation it would be 9, then again 40 and then 60, so that is 20, then 20 and 40, so again 20. So this side again will take same, it would be 21. Here it's nothing is just, we'll just keep it as a dash. 40 again 50, so it is 40 minus 50 minus 40, it's 10. 10 minus 20, oh, here it should be 10. Anyhow, it's we have been already solved, and this is the highest one, so that's okay. So again 10 it is here, so let's see the highest one, 20 and 21. Okay, let's consider 21. Which is the minimum? 19 is the minimum one, so we need to consider this demand and this supply. So which is lowest? 5 is lowest, we'll just cancel it, just because 5 can satisfy this demand, this supply. Then when we subtract 5 minus, so it's come 2, actually it comes 2, so this becomes 0, so we'll just cancel it, this one. So this also is done. Now we'll do penalty called as P3. 10 minus, so we have only 2, so we can just go ahead just subtracting it. So that is 40, and then again here it is 20, then again it is 40, then again here we'll go with P3. So here it's already done, so nil. Again here also it is done, so nil. Again here the minimum 50 minus 40, again it's 10 only. Here also it will be 10, so the maximum is 40. So again here you can see there is 240, so we can take any one. So let's take it as this itself. Yeah, that's 40. So again here which is the minimum, 10 is the minimum, so we can get this and this. So 2 it can satisfy this, so this becomes 12. This becomes 12 and this becomes 2. So this becomes 0, so we'll just cancel this path. Whichever gets satisfied, suppose this way it gets the demand side, yet the factory whichever has the 0 supply, so we can just strike it out because they doesn't have the capacity to supply, so we'll just remove that path here. And then so we are done with this. Then again P4, so that is penalty 4 from both demand side as well as supply side. So this side is nil because there is nothing, so we'll put nil. Again here this 60 minus 40, that's 20. Again here if we consider, then again it would be 40 itself. Okay, then here it would be nil, here also it would be nil, here it would be 40, 50, 60, 70, so 30 is the difference, and here it would be 40. Okay, then now which is the highest? Again if we see here it is also 40, here also we have 40, both sides we have 40, so we can take any one. So let's take this one. So in this column we can say 20 is the minimum, so we can take these two. So 12 and 10, so 10 can be satisfied by this, then there will be remaining as 2. Okay, now as this has been satisfied, so we'll just cancel this part. Okay, now again we have to do one more penalty actually, that is P5. Okay, P5, here it is cancelled, here it is minimum, so here we have, so there's nothing, so we can just keep it as, we can't do differentiation here, so we can just put nil. Again here it is nothing, again the difference over here it is 20, so make it as 20 here, and again this is nil. So this, in this case, 20 is the maximum one, and when we subtract this, okay, when we see the minimum, that is 40 is the minimum, so we can take this one and this one. So while taking this, this is the minimum, so we'll write it as 7, and when it satisfies here, so 7 minus 7, that is 2. Done. Now you can see here, see all are 0. Here it became 0, it has also become 0, it has also become 0, it has, okay, 2 is left out. Okay, here it has become 0, here 2 is left out, here also become 0. Now the supply can be 2, demand also are 2, so these 2 can be cancelled or can be satisfied, and we'll write it as 2. So this is also done. Okay, now we'll do a calculation, just multiplying this 19 minus 19 into 5, 10 into 2, 8 into 8, 14 into 7, 60 into 2, 20 into 10, that's one. So you'll get an answer. And there is one more method to, in order to get it verification. 5 plus 2, that is 7, 7 plus 2, that is 9, 8 plus 10, that is 18, 5, see, here we did some mistake, I guess. There should be 5 somewhere, I guess. Yeah, we can do it. Second one is here, it should be the 5. Oh, it's 5 only. Yeah, okay, 5 done. then here is 8 8, okay, 7 7, okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 10, it's 14 14. So it means that our answer, whatever we'll get, is correct. So just let's multiply it. Into 5, total cost will be 19 into 5, it's 95, plus 10 into 2, that is 20, plus 40 into 7, so 28, so 280, 60 into 2, it's 120, then 8 is the 64, plus 10 into, that is 200. So when you plus this entire number, 95 plus 20 plus 280 plus 120 plus 64 plus 200, 779 is the answer. That's it. So just try to solve other questions in the similar manner. That's it, you'll get the result, and just try to verify if this numbers you'll get the demand and supply. With this numbers, if we can get it the similar, or if it get tallies, you'll get a correct answer. That's it. Thank you.